Today I am here with the fourth chapter of EVS of class 5th. The name of the chapter is Breathing Healthy. Let's see what's there in the chapter. Children, the fourth chapter of EVS is Breathing Healthy. The topics to be covered in this chapter are: what is breathing, the organs of the human respiratory system, and the process of breathing. I will be covering this chapter in two parts. Children, now let's see what is breathing. The process of taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide is called as breathing. Children, first of all, I would like to tell you the organs of the respiratory system. See, this is a diagrammatic representation of our respiratory system. See, the main organs of respiratory system are nasal cavity or your nose, through which your air comes inside your lungs. These are your lungs. You have two pairs of lungs in your body. The nasal cavity is for the passage of air inside your lungs. Now, this part is called the pharynx. Okay, now what is pharynx? Pharynx or throat. It is a common passage for air, food and liquid. After pharynx, we have larynx or the voice box. This is the area of the respiratory system in which sound is produced. Next we come to windpipe. Windpipe is also known as trachea. Through this windpipe, the air from the nostrils reaches into your lungs. Now this trachea branches off into the main air path known as the bronchi. This bronchi again branches into small branches inside the lungs known as the bronchioles. Okay, now these bronchioles again branches into small sacs inside your lungs known as the alveoli. The alveoli are air sacs which are responsible for gaseous exchange inside your lungs. Okay, and the most important part played during respiration is by the diaphragm. It's a curved shaped structure also known as the respiratory skeletal muscle used for respiration. This plays a very important part in respiratory system or the process of breathing. Now children, I will be telling you the process of breathing. Process of breathing means exchange of gases. See, first of all, air enters the nasal cavity or the nose. The air reaches the trachea or the windpipe. From the windpipe, the air reaches into the bronchi. Children, this part. From the windpipe, the air reaches into the bronchi. From the bronchi, it reaches into the bronchioles. And from the bronchioles, it reaches into the alveoli or the air sacs. These are the sites where the exchange of gases takes place. Okay, now see, in alveoli the gaseous exchange takes place where oxygen is dissolved into the blood and carbon dioxide from the blood is dissolved into the air in the alveoli. Children, now I will be telling you about the physical process of breathing. See children, breathing can be divided into two parts: inhalation or taking in air and exhalation or breathing out air. Inhalation involves taking of oxygen inside your lungs. The air enters the chest cavity and as and when the pressure inside the lungs decreases, the air from outside enters the lungs. Okay, then the diaphragm contracts itself and goes down, so the area inside the chest cavity increases and the air is pushed in. Okay, and after the phase of inhalation, exhalation takes place where diaphragm is relaxed and it gets back to its original position and the air is pushed out. and the normal breathing rate in human beings is 15 times per minute. Okay children, so these are the points which I wanted to cover for the first half of your chapter. In the second video I would be referring with the second part. You can all see the diagram, you can just note it down in your copies. Okay children, I will be back with the second part of the chapter in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.